welcome back. So today I'm gonna unbox 2 pairs of this TIJN Eyewear sunwear or sunglasses. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show within the description so you guys could check them out. And I would like to give a shout out to Kathleen from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check them out. TIJN. Wow, look at the box. Looks so nice. Have this rainbow effect. You can follow them right here. So it says scan the QR code, activate, get some love back, maybe get some free gifts. I think some of this might be some of the tool or the eyewear parts. It's 2 of the rubber pieces. See what's in here. Feels like a tool and some kind of screw. Oh yeah, there's a tiny screw and then an extra nose piece. I don't want to lose it. Let's see. So they give you 2 nose pieces and 2 screws. Wow, so you have the Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. come with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Wow, very soft. And also a case. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. This one got a little damage during the shipment, so and this one is the gold frame. With their logo right here, TIJN. Got the 3 at the crystal right here. And also on the side of the arm. That's the model number. So the lens is screwed in, so you could also put on your prescription. If you go to your optometry. And the nose switch is screwed on. Come with the microfiber cleaning cloth again. And this one has a different case, color case. You got the TIJN right here. It's a deposit. Anyway, let's go ahead and try them on. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, and be sure to check out the description so you can check them out. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I always